Alright, so we went through all the documentation through installation to some of the additional content as well as part of the onboarding or tutorial going through DBT for Analytics Engineering. And I just want to say congrats to that. It's an awesome job. So let's just go into some next steps. There's always room to grow in DBT as they have a lot more functionality to use depending on the particular version you have. And then moreover, the continued growth that they're having as well as they continue to iterate and improve as well. And so, with that being said, there's always, again, more room to learn with learning DBT. And here are some resources if you want to continue to learn more. You can go to the documentation or tutorial link, which is like right here. The code for, particularly the SQL queries for some of the examples we went through. And if you want to go into more into DBT documentation or need some assistance, DBT has a great Slack community. If you want to check that out, great documentation at getdbtdocs.com. And then there's some additional information for getting help with the tool as well. And this project is just created for a quick onboarding tutorial for particular individuals that I wanted to help out with, and hence just me creating that. But then also, just really appreciate you going through this tutorial, and I just want to say thanks, and hopefully, if you want to say thanks, you can donate, particularly to these nonprofit organizations, particularly right now. During COVID, there's been a lot of disparity, particularly in a particular demographic. So, kind of ranked in order a little bit. Just feel free to check out these nonprofits and donate to them if you can. This is the nonprofit I volunteer with in Delta Analytics. Feel free to check that out. The mission as well. And then Focus as another nonprofit you want to donate to, or if you have something personal you want to donate to as well, please do so, especially during these unprecedented times in 2020. Until then, goodbye, and hopefully, if you have any additional questions or more, I'm happy to provide additional documentation updates or video content as well. But yeah. That's pretty much it. Yeah, thank you.